Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from Huobi. First, log in to your Huobi account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Withdraw option, usually found in your Wallet or Assets section. Then, you'll need to select the specific cryptocurrency you intend to withdraw from your available balances. This ensures you're on the right track for a smooth transaction. Next, it's crucial to select the appropriate network for your chosen cryptocurrency. For example, for UST, you might choose TRC20 or ERC20. After that, input the recipient's wallet address into the designated field. Double-check this address meticulously, as an incorrect address can lead to irreversible loss of funds. A quick scan can save you from potential issues. Now, enter the precise amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Huobi will display any applicable transaction fees, which vary by asset and network. Make sure your withdrawal amount meets or exceeds the platform's minimum withdrawal requirement. This step is vital for processing your request efficiently and avoiding any delays due to insufficient funds or incorrect amounts. Finally, you'll need to complete any necessary security verifications, such as two-factor authentication or SMS codes. After entering these, review all the withdrawal details one last time before confirming. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. You can then monitor its status in your withdrawal history, typically completing within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.